Hey everyone, are you getting the DF-DFERH-01 error on the Google Play Store that says error retrieving information from server? This error usually happens because of temporary connection problems or corrupted data in the Play Store or its services. No need to worry, it's a common issue. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix it. Let's get started. Before starting, verify internet connection and restart your device. Ensure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Solution 1. Clear cache and data of Google Play Store. Open Settings on your Android device. Go tap on Apps. Now search for the Google Play Store and tap on it. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Storage. Now reopen the Play Store and check if it works. Solution 2. Update Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then tap on About. Tap the Play Store version. Now you can see Update option. Tap on it. It's already updated. It will show you this message, and if it's not, then it will update the app. Solution 3. Disable VPN/proxy. If you are utilizing a VPN or proxy service, it may interfere with your Google server's communication. Temporarily disable any active VPN or proxy connections on your device. After disabling, attempt to access the Play Store again. If this resolves the error, you may need to adjust your VPN settings or try a different server/service. Following these steps will help you fix the Google Play Store error DF-DFERH-01. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.